guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the city of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Constant Spring Road. So on the left is the Calabar neighborhood and on the right is the Zayden's neighborhood. We are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Constant Spring Road in that direction. So coming up at this stoplight now, if we turn left we go onto Red Hills Road. This, where that car in front of us is turning left, that's where you go from Washington Boulevard. Okay, now, you know we talk about indiscipline on the road. Now look at this. This taxi driver is reversing on a main road. Can you imagine? And then when the police give them a ticket for doing something like that now, they want to create all sorts of problems and want amnesty and want to go on strike. You can see it for yourself. The person missed the turn, and instead of driving around, you could make the U-turn right here and go back around. It wouldn't take more than 2 minutes. They decide to reverse on a main road, and one of the busiest roads in Jamaica too. I mean, it's ridiculous sometimes, honestly. The indiscipline on the roads. Anyway, you guys saw it for yourself. Sometimes you really have to give the police credit because they have a very tough job trying to keep law and order on these roads with drivers like that. Alright, so at this intersection now, we turn left, we take Lindsay Crescent up to Constant Spring Road. And on the left here, where you see this grill fence, that's the McCoy restaurant and casino. And then at this intersection, as we go across the light, we go on to Dunrobin Avenue, and Dunrobin Avenue will take us up to Constant Spring Road. So that's Lindsay Crescent on the left. Now we're going on to Dunrobin Avenue. Now Dunrobin is more of this side of Dunrobin Avenue is more of a commercial business place. You have a lot of car mats and garages on the left. On the right you have a lot of business places, active traders. You also have Roman's Funeral Home. And if we turn left here, we also go on to Lindsay Crescent. Lindsay Crescent actually runs this way, but if we had turned left at the first stoplight, Lindsay Crescent goes into West Avenue, and then West Avenue takes you up to Constant Spring Road. So this is the intersection with Constant Spring Road now. Turn left, you take Constant Spring Road up to Manor Park. Turn right, you take Constant Spring Road to Halfway Tree. So we're going to turn left here, and straight ahead on the left is Phil's Hardware. That's the red building with the red stripes, and where you see this metal fence on the right, that's also Phil's Hardware. So this is Constant Spring Road. As you can see, it's a very nice road, recently upgraded through the Major Infrastructure Development Program, the MIDP. Government did an excellent job. It was China Harbour Engineering Company that was the contractor. And this road has made a huge difference for the flow of traffic in the Constant Spring area. So this road runs from Halfway Tree up to Manor Park, and it's this quality road the entire way. Here you can see the police hard at work on the right. Alright, so we're going to turn right now onto Shortwood Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.